Welcome to Finviz. Today, let's discuss how AI is disrupting India's IT services and what companies can do to stay in the lane. The Indian IT stock market saw a sell-off due to fears that AI will take over traditional revenue streams like application development and maintenance, testing and quality assurance, and legacy ERP customization. Their pricing model focused on billable hours and labor deployed on a project will collapse as AI can deliver those results in less time and with less labor, exerting pressure on IT company revenues. Onshoring or nearshoring of projects that were outsourced to India could result in fewer global clients, overall lowering cash flows and company valuations. In fact, MNCs are setting up GCCs or Global Capability Centers in India. A Global Capability Center is when an MNC sets up their own entity in India to insource the work that was contracted to Indian IT firms by hiring their own engineers and developing their own processes. GCCs are increasingly investing in GenAI and Agentic AI to enhance customer experience through AI chatbots, increase operational efficiency through automating back-office tasks and generating code, developing proprietary IP through product development, and establishing cybersecurity procedures by using AI for fraud detection and compliance. Some examples include HSBC's Technology GCC that built AI tools to spot suspicious activity for fraud detection instead of hiring IT vendors like TCS, Accenture, or Infosys. Walmart's GCC built AI tools for demand forecasting, inventory optimization, and dynamic pricing models instead of outsourcing to Indian IT giants to run batch-based demand planning models. GCCs that once used to be back-office units are now AI innovation hubs as they launch dedicated R&D centers for new AI solutions. As a part of their AI transition, GCCs are upskilling their workforce to work alongside AI, ultimately targeting agentic process automation where AI agents can plan and execute work with minimal human intervention. Anthropic, a US-based AI firm's launch of Cloud Cowork and other agentic AI tools that can automate repetitive legal, compliance, HR, and operational tasks, eroded value from Indian IT stocks. Anthropic's valuation post their $30 billion G-Series funding round was $380 billion post-money, more valuable than India's entire Nifty IT index combined, which was under $300 billion. Now, the question is, can Indian IT firms adapt? Infosys recently partnered with Anthropic to integrate cloud models into enterprise offerings via Infosys Topaz AI platform. The partnership aims at deploying agentic AI across industries such as telecommunication, financial services, manufacturing, and software development. Infosys has positioned itself as an enterprise-scale deployment partner for Anthropic. Anthropic's CEO believes that there's a big gap between an AI model that works in a demo and one that works in a regulated industry. And if you want to close that gap, you need domain expertise, which is where Infosys comes in with their years of experience working with specific client needs. The way forward for Indian IT would be on the lines of integrating AI solutions into existing models, using their domain expertise in regulated industries to partner with AI firms, acquiring AI startups developing new products to fuel inorganic growth, providing solutions to lower AI biases, liability risks, and ethical concerns in the AI governance space, reskilling their workforce and shifting their revenue models to outcome-based pricing. The long-standing relationship between revenue and headcount would be disrupted as Indian IT firms must find ways to grow their revenues based on productivity gains and outcomes rather than billing on headcount. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, stay tuned for more.